Let's discuss a question from welding. Well, you have the melting efficiency of a welded joint is asked with the potential. So let's say you are doing an arc welding of joining these two or forming cylindrical portion of this arc welding, or this can be applied to any kind of welding. So you are welding this portion. Let's say you're creating a weld. Okay, so the potential is given 40 volts and the current is 200. So heat supplied to the material, or whatever the heat source we have, is Pi, but there is some heat transfer efficiency. So and that thing will not be transferred. There will be some heat transfer efficiency. So there is 0.7 efficiency to a neutron. So volt, because P and I, the volt and the current, gives you the heat source, the power, to 0.7 is the heat transfer efficiency. So this comes out to be 5600 joules per second. Okay, 5600 joules. So this is what is the heat that is available. Now melting efficiency is how much is the heat required for melting. Now heat required for melting, heat required to melt, is basically given as 10 joules per mm cube. So into volume I need to multiply, so that I'll get volume melted per second, volume melted per second. So then I can just get the, so now how much is the volume that can be melted per second. Now volume melted per second is area of cross section into the speed of the weld. Okay, assuming that it generates a uniform, it melts a uniform cross section. So area of cross section is 20, okay, into 5. So this is 100 mm cube per second. So this is the volume that is melted per second, and that if I just take it here, so heat required for melting per second is 10 into 100, it's 1000 joules per second. So it's 1000 joules per second, and this is heat supplied. Okay, so the efficiency is heat required for melting by heat available. Okay, heat supplied or heat available from the source. So this is 1000 by 5600, and this comes out to be 17.86%. So 17.86% is the answer for this, 17.86. So how much heat available to heat that is required for melting, that's ratio is what is the melting speed. So this is the answer. Thank you.